Fitness on the go. 10-minute workout hacks for busy professionals. Hey there, hustlers and professionals. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling the challenge that many of us face, staying fit and active amidst our busy schedules. If you're a go-getter juggling work, meetings, and endless to-dos, these 10-minute workout hacks are here to keep you on track without consuming too much of your precious time. Let's jump right into these quick and effective exercises. Hack 1. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Get your heart rate up with a quick HIIT session. Alternate between 30 seconds of high-intensity exercises like jumping jacks or burpees, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat for just 10 minutes to get a powerful cardio and strength workout. Hack 2. Desk chair workouts. Even at your desk, you can get a workout in. Try seated leg lifts, seated twists, or tapping your feet for some sneaky leg exercises. Hack 3. Staircase sprints. If you have access to stairs, utilize them. Run up and down the stairs for a quick burst of cardio that engages your lower body muscles. Hack 4. Bodyweight circuit. Create a circuit with bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks. Do each exercise for 1 minute, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat the circuit for a full body workout. Hack 5. Quick yoga flow. Unwind and energize with a mini yoga flow. Flow through poses like downward dog, warrior, and child's pose to stretch and strengthen your body. Hack 6. Resistance band power. Grab a resistance band for some effective strength training. Perform bicep curls, lateral raises, and other moves to target specific muscle groups. Hack 7. Core blast. Focus on your core with exercises like crunches and leg raises. These quick moves will help strengthen your midsection. Hack 8. Tabata training. Tabata involves 20 seconds of all-out exercise followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 4 minutes. Choose a few exercises and cycle through them for a swift, intense workout. Hack 9. Office wall sit. Engage your legs and glutes with wall sits. Slide your back down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground and hold the position for as long as you can. Hack 10. Jump rope cardio. Grab a jump rope and jump for 10 minutes. It's an amazing cardiovascular workout that requires minimal space. And there you have it, 10-minute workout hacks tailored for busy professionals. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these short bursts of exercise into your day, and you'll see positive changes in your energy levels and overall fitness. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow go-getters. Subscribe for more fitness inspiration, and until next time, keep thriving both in your career and your health.